Hello there everyone, welcome to today's workshop. In today's workshop I will show you how to make and add assets to your game. Before making the assets we need a game to add the assets and we will use AI ChatGPT to create that game. Before that you have to download Visual Studio Code as I already showed in our previous webinars. Let me show you again. You can just write Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, and you will get the website to code.visualstudio.com. And you click download for Windows, or if you're using other platforms, click just these other platforms, and you can just download for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Okay, now let's get back to Visual Studio Code. I created a folder, a game folder, and you can just click this file and click open folder, then create a new folder right here, right click, click new and click a folder, and you just select the folder you created and click select folder. Since we created our folder, you come to this extensions page, uh, search live server. It will help us to run our script game. You download this one, Ritwik Day, which is developed by Ritwik Dev. You right click and download. The download install button will be here. After this, when you, for example, I will show you how to use this. Let's say we have index.html. You just right click index.html and click open with live server and it will open it in our browser like this. But since there's no code inside it, it will not work. Let's delete this one. Now let's come to ChatGPT and tell him what kind of game we want. 1 second. Hello. I want to create a game like, let's say Mario is a platform game. Okay, that's our prompt. And let's say what ChatGPT says. ChatGPT says, uh, open Visual Studio Code, create a folder for a game. We created a folder named game. Inside that folder, create index.html. We come to our folder, click that plus, index.html, and style.css, and game JavaScript. And it says come to index.html. Let's copy that code, come to index and paste it. Then we save. To save, you can just hold Control and click S. Let's come to style CSS, paste this one again, and game JavaScript. Let's see if it works. Right click the index.html and click open with live server. Okay, we can jump, but we can't go forward. Now let's say that there's a problem with going forward. And the TypeScript updated our game JavaScript with horizontal movement. Let's wait for him to complete the code. Once it's completed, you can see he's stopped writing. You click copy, copy that, and come to the game JavaScript and replace it. Now we can just try our game again. Let's come to folder and run this index.html Okay, as you can see, we can just go forward and jump. Now, let's add, I want to add a, a scoreboard where the player can see how many progress he made through the map. For example, let's just add this one. Add styles to style CSS. Let's come to game JavaScript, style CSS, and add this one, save it. And we come to our index.html and add this div. Let's save it. Also, let's come to our game JavaScript. Since there's a lot of code in JavaScript and you don't want to do it yourself, you can just copy and say update our game JavaScript yourself. I think it's bugged, right? Yeah, let's click stop it and click try again. Okay, let's copy it and paste the game JavaScript and let's try our game again. I think we broke the style CSS and index.html. Let's see if it's broken. Check index.html. Once it's broken, but we have to check all things. Yeah, as you can see, there's problematic parts and it corrected our version. Okay, now we can try it. We have a character jumping. Now we can add. Let's see what did this GPT suggested us to add. Let's come to this page. Add a finish flag at the end. Now it will replace our game JavaScript with this version. Let's copy this one and come to game JavaScript and paste it. Now let's see if we have a flag at the end of the game, the end of the round. And yes, level complete. But let's say, let's add a menu and a levels page. We completed this level, but we can't progress to another map. We have to refresh the page. So let's fix this one. We have project index style and update your index.html like this one. Let's copy this, paste, and come to style CSS, paste this. Add this at the top of game JavaScript. Come to game JavaScript at the top. So it has to be this one. Okay, let's save it. Then wrap the entire game function like this. Function start game. Let's see where is this one. Here's my code. Edit yourself. Sometimes it's easy to find what to do and what part to replace, but when it's hard, you can just leave it to AI. Let's paste it here, copy, and refresh. Mini Mario, we click play, and we can select any level. But we don't have go back to menu page, add, go menu button. Let's say index. Here's index.html. Save here, style. Copy and paste this one too. And the last one, game JavaScript. Let's see if it works now. We click play. Okay, we've progressed. We can click menu and we can just play again. Now, what we can do is we can just add. Is this one the game JavaScript we have to edit? The version start your game level fiction, start your game. Okay, we only need to start game with this one. Let's see, where's the start game button? Function start game level number. I don't know which part we have to edit. Let's see. Is there finish flag in this one? I mean, we can just try it, right? Let's pass here, save, try. Yeah, we died. It's really hard to, but it works, right? Yeah, we killed one. We killed another one. Let's see. Now let's come to the assets side. How can I replace the... How can I replace the main character and add my asset? Prepare your assets. Save your character image. Play PNG in project folder same as game JavaScript. Let's see. Let's get Mario PNG. Where can I find? Okay, since it's the TTP suggested page, let's check this. Let's check this. See which one works. Oh, that's great. Platformer bundle. Ah, it isn't free. Let's check if we can find any free one. Click free. Let's see if we can get this one. Nah, this ones aren't free. Let's check these assets. Platformer pack. Okay, we download the platformer pack. And I tell this GPT that I download the whole platformer pack, which contains, let's extract all and check what has inside. This one's our preview. Let's delete this. And also let's delete samples. Why this one's HTML file? Okay, we have to get the PNG ones. Let's see. Oh, we can just edit it our character right here, like this. Can I use HTML instead of PNG? What if we right click and download it? Of course we can't. Oh, maybe we can just turn our character into mushroom instead of the Mario. Let's see if we can use this one. One sec. Let me just log in and so we can download this one. This one is not free. Platformer game. When we will find that this, we just download and use this one. Let's see if it will work this time. Oh, thank God this has the PNG. Let's just extract all platformer characters, download this ones, and get the PNG. Play. Adventure. Maybe we can just add this one and name it to player. Let's come to our folder, game, and add, copy as path. Let's come to our code and tell ChatGPT to update it himself. You have to check every code one by one so it works well. And tell them to add our player PNG inside the game. I already sent you code, so edit it and send me final version of codes. Okay, here's the index.html one. Let's copy paste and style CSS. Copy this one too. And lastly, we need the game JavaScript. Let's wait until he updates it. Okay, let's pass the, oh, not this one. We have to add to game JavaScript. Let's see if it works now. Yeah, we have our character. Let's try to win this game. Okay, we finished this round. but our character is too small. How can I? Oh, let's now add background. Let's see if we have any background in this folder which we downloaded. Not this one. Let's close it. Okay. I think there I saw background, right? No. What's vector about? Oh, it isn't something. Okay, let's come to your assets again and find a background or just search a platformer game background PNG. Oh, this one looks cool. Maybe this one. But we can't download these ones because they aren't free. Oh, this one's is normal. Let's copy as path and tell them to edit whole code and add our background to our folder. Let's come to index.html, pass this one, style CSS, let's paste it again, copy paste again just in case if it changes any codes, and wait for the game JavaScript one. Copy it and paste it in our game JavaScript. Now let's refresh our game and see if we have this background. And yes, we have it. And we finished the level. You can see we have progress and we added background. We also added our small character right here. You can also design different kind of levels for each game. Let's ask if we can do it. Can I design different kinds of background, enemies, obstacles for each level? And that's as he says, absolutely we can definitely design different backgrounds, enemies and obstacles for each level to make the game look more interesting. So let's leave it for our next webinar or workshop. I will save this one. Let's click File and click Save, and you can close now. In our next webinar or workshop, I will show you and we will add together these new backgrounds and enemies together. For next webinar, our plan is to add different kind of backgrounds and different kind of levels, obstacles. Maybe we can add audio for example, when we kill an enemy, we can just get an achievement. That's our plan, road plan in next games. So thanks for watching today's workshop. See you guys in our next workshop, and also make sure to follow our webinars. In webinars, we also do interesting things. You can just message me if you get any kind of question or if you need any kind of help. I will try my best to help you. Bye bye.